Hello armies, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Let's explore BTS with Shazia. Today I have got Seoul Music Awards tutorial for the armies. Let's get started. Firstly, open your SMA app. If you don't have the app, please check my description box for the link of the app. Go to your settings, click on login and choose whichever SNS you want to log in with. Once you are done entering your SNS details, you will come up with this page. Accept both the terms and conditions and click on next. You will see this page in front of you. Here, enter your email address and click send verification mail. After clicking on send verification email, you will see this page. Go back to your email and check for email verification code. Once you get the code, enter the code here and click on check verification code. Ta-da! You are done creating your SMA account. Now let's do pin settings. We need these settings to watch ads. Enter a 6-digit code and then re-enter that. Also make sure that you remember the code that you just set. Now our account is completely ready to earn hearts and vote for BTS. Let's go to the vote section. On the top right of the page, you will see a diamond icon. Click on it and you will get redirected to the heart collecting page. You can collect hearts here by watching ads. There are 3 watch video tabs which you can see. You can just click on those and collect the hearts. Each video gives 20 hearts and you can watch 3 videos in every 10 minutes. Now let's see how we can get a free ticket. Click on free charge, you will get this. Click on SMS today's free ticket. Click participate and you will get redirected to this page. Just go back to the SMA app and tada! You got your free ticket. Make sure you vote this free ticket every day as it expires after reset. The voting resets every day at 12 am KST. Now let's see how gifting hearts section works. It helps us to transfer our hearts to other army friends or our other accounts. Now I'll transfer some of hearts from my previously created account to this account. Just put the number of hearts you want to transfer and put the user code of account on which you want to transfer the hearts. Click on gifting hearts and you are done gifting your hearts to another account. Let's explore more options of earning hearts. You can go to Joy Charge section. Here you can do missions and earn hearts. Same as in the Wow Charge section, you can do the missions and earn the said hearts. Now let's see how we can get more tickets as we can vote 10 tickets daily. Click on exchange hearts for tickets option. Here you can exchange your hearts for tickets. 1 ticket is equals to 100 hearts. I'm converting 9 tickets only because I am already having 1 ticket. Now let's go and vote for BTS in K-Wave category. Why K-Wave category? Because this is fully fan voted category and we are prioritizing it. Click on vote and vote your 10 tickets for BTS. Thank you for voting. There is one more way to gain tickets. That is through Idol Champ coupons. Let's get back to heart collecting section. There you will see enter coupon number option. Here we can enter the coupons which we will buy from Idol Champ and we can get our tickets here. Now let's see how we can get tickets from Idol Champ. Just open your Idol Champ account, go to the shop section, go to coupons and here you can buy different SMA coupons. Just click on the coupons you want to buy. I'll be buying 10 coupons for 300 charm sims. So just click on the 10 coupons section and click on buy. Then click on confirm and you will get your tickets. Yay! I got leveled up and I got the bonus. Now you can go to your purchase section, item box, and then from here you can copy your coupon code. Once you are done copying your coupon code, go back to your SMA app and click on enter coupon number. Here paste your code and click on register coupon. Ta-da! You got your 10 tickets. You will get the number of tickets you bought. You can use each coupon code only once. That's all for SMA app. There are only 8 days left before the voting app ends. I hope all the armies will collect hearts and vote for BTS. We really need to work together to win this. Teamwork makes the dream work. If you like this tutorial, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, Army.